Every morning, you have two choices: to wake up and repeat yesterday's energy, or to align with the vibration of abundance and open the door to new opportunities. Most people rush into their day reacting to life, but wealth, success, and happiness flow to those who start their morning in alignment, in tune with the frequency of prosperity. Today, I'll guide you through a simple but powerful morning routine that attracts wealth. When practiced daily, it transforms not only your mindset, but your entire reality. Take a deep breath. This is your moment to reset your energy for abundance. The moment you open your eyes, don't grab your phone. Instead, take one slow breath and whisper, "Thank you for another day to receive abundance." Gratitude is the first signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. It instantly shifts your frequency from lack to plenty. Think of 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Maybe your health, a peaceful sleep, or simply the chance to start again. When you begin your day in appreciation, your energy expands and everything you desire begins to move closer. Next, visualize the day you want to experience, not the one you fear. See yourself checking your bank account and smiling. Imagine new clients, new sales, new ideas flowing to you easily. Feel it as if it's already happening. This isn't pretending. This is energy training. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and memory. So when you feel wealthy now, you send out the exact vibration that wealth responds to. Spend just a few minutes here. Feel rich, calm, and magnetic. Now speak your wealth into existence. Your voice carries frequency. It programs your reality. Repeat these affirmations slowly and believe each word. I am worthy of wealth. Money flows easily and freely into my life. I am open and ready to receive abundance today. Say it until your body believes it, because the universe doesn't respond to words. It responds to emotion. When you speak with certainty, you shift from wanting wealth to expecting it. Energy loves motion. Before checking your phone or diving into work, move your body, stretch, walk, dance, even for 5 minutes. Physical movement clears stagnant energy and wakes up your energetic field. It tells the universe, I'm ready for flow. As you move, silently repeat, every step I take is a step toward abundance. It's not about exercise, it's about energetic alignment. You're shifting your inner frequency to match prosperity's rhythm. Now take your journal and write as if your dream life has already happened. Example, I'm so grateful that money flows into my life effortlessly. Today, new opportunities appeared out of nowhere. Scripting isn't daydreaming, it's manifestation in motion. You're literally designing your future using words and emotion. Write just a few sentences every morning and watch how reality bends to meet your belief. Finally, pause for a moment of gratitude before your day begins. Whisper softly, "Thank you, universe, for the blessings already on their way." This final vibration, gratitude before receiving, creates magnetic attraction for miracles throughout your day. When you leave your home in gratitude, you vibrate wealth, confidence, and joy, and the world reflects it right back. So tomorrow morning, don't wake up to your phone. Wake up to your power. Your thoughts shape energy. Your energy shapes reality. Do this routine every day, and soon wealth will stop feeling like a dream. It'll start feeling like you're normal. If this video helped you realign your morning energy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to manifest their best life. And remember, the universe is always listening.